tell you what Christmas is all about?
Chestnut roasting.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel, The Data Picking. How is everyone doing? Hope everyone is doing fine. Thank you so much guys for your love and support. So guys, today's video I'll be making goat meat and assorted meat curry. So this is the meat I'll be using. I've cut it to my desired size. So now I'll be seasoning it. I'm adding curry, I'm adding salt, thyme, seasoning cube. That's what I'm adding now. So this time I'm adding, and I'll add onions to it and just mix it together and cover it to cook. Guys, I didn't add water. I want the meat to bring out its own water. Yes, so I'm not adding water to it. So I'll just cover it to cook. So guys, this is after cooking. Look, enough water that came out from the meat. I didn't add any water. You see the reason why I did not add water to it, because I know the meat is going to bring out its own water. Look at enough water from the meat. So I'm still going to cover it to cook more because the meat is hard. So now guys, see the water is almost dry from the meat. I want the meat to take back the juice, the water that came out from meat. So now I will be taking out the meat from the pot because I will be frying it. So I'll be transferring it into this bowl. So this is after transferring to the bowl. I will be frying my meat. I'm using vegetable oil. You can use or olive oil. I'm using vegetable oil. Yeah, you can use any oil of your choice anyway. So I'll fry it. I'm frying my goat meat and assorted meat. So I'm frying those meats on both sides to be like golden brown. I'm trying to flip it to the other side so that both sides will be well fried. And this is it. So at this point guys, if you are watching and your subscribe button is still red, that means you've not subscribed. Please turn it gray to gray by subscribing. Thank you so much. Now I'm adding onions to it because the meat is already fried the way I want it to be. Now add thyme and garlic and ginger paste. You can as well add the fresh one, but this is the one I made myself. I'm adding curry, also enough curry. I'm adding paprika, pepper, and then salt to taste, and seasoning powder. I'll just mix it together so everything will be incorporated. Yeah. And now I'll be adding my coconut milk. I'm using coconut milk. In case you can't get coconut milk, you can use water, but I want the juice that will come out from the meat to be coconut. Tastes really good. It really tastes good with coconut milk. I'm just going to cover it to cook. So at this point guys, I'm going to get my vegetable ready. I'm using carrots, paprika, pepper, or bell pepper. I'm using the cherry type of bell pepper. I'll just get there ready while my meat is cooking. And I'm also adding habanero pepper to my curry. So this is everything after preparing them. So now I'll be checking on my meat. Look at how juicy it looks. So I'll be adding my vegetable. I'll add my carrots, my pepper, and the minced paprika pepper. I just add everything now. I'll stir it together very well. Look at how colorful it is, guys. And I also cover again to cook. And guys, at this point my food is getting ready. It's getting ready. I'm still gonna let it cook because I want the vegetable to be kind of soft, a little more softer than the way it seems now. So I'm still gonna cook for some minutes, for like 2 to 3 minutes again. Then I think it will be ready by then. You see, this is after 2 to 3 minutes. You see, it's now very juicy. Every juice from the vegetable mixed with the coconut milk is out, to see, and taste really good, guys. I'm eating mine with rice. You can use potato, yam, whatsoever, but all spaghetti, but I'm using rice to eat my curry, goat, and assorted meat. So guys, food is ready. You can join me if you can. It tastes really good, guys. It tastes really good, really yummy and delicious. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to give me a like. I appreciate you all. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye.